Hey guys and gals, hope everyone's doing well. So I'm a little under the weather today and I decided to take on a real simple DIY mod for my vehicle that I bought these a while back and I just haven't gotten around to them. It's a real simple mod. I expect the installation to be quick and lickety split. But basically what I'm going to be doing here on my vehicle, which is a Porsche 911 991.2 Carrera S, is I am going to be upgrading the puddle lights. The puddle lights are those little lights that are on the bottom of the door and they help illuminate the ground when you're getting in and out of the car. You know, these lights, they don't really do a whole lot, at least the ones that come with the car from the factory. It just, you could see here in the garage in the light that it just kind of projects a little bit of a red tone. I can turn off the lights a little bit just so you could see. It does illuminate a little more than just that red tone in the dark. You could see there's kind of like a white light outline that you could see there. And I will get underneath here so that you can see what that light looks like. That's what it looks like underneath. And so there is in fact a light there that projects down, but again, you don't really, it doesn't really do much. So this modification is really just purely for aesthetics. I ordered this pair of lights to replace the ones in the car off of a website. I think it was called addcarlights.com, but I will post a link in the description for this video. But basically, these are around 50 bucks. Not a very expensive modification. These are not the Porsche OEM brand that they sell for about 200. And the only tool that I should need is this to pop out the existing puddle lights and replace them with these new ones. So once I get them popped out, I will go ahead and put them up here on the bench so you can see these out of the box compared to the ones from the factory, and we'll go from there. So hang tight, we'll be back shortly. All right, so I like to put a little piece of electrical tape on the edge of my trim tool sometimes just to prevent scratching. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and give that a shot there. I'm gonna pop it in. This is my first time attempting this, so what you're seeing here is pretty much what you can expect to happen when you do this yourself. There it goes, popped out just like that. Super easy. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this little thing here. It's a little hot actually, this thing. So I take it that these are not LED, but there you go. This is what we're working with here. So, and then you see this little plug here. I'm gonna kind of leave it oriented in the same exact way I took it out just to make sure that I put in the new one correctly. So let's take this to the bench. All right, so this here is the light that we just took out of the vehicle. You can see it's there's not much to it, but as I mentioned, it was actually a little bit warm to the touch. So just keep that in mind. I don't believe those are LED, although it could be, just could be a very hot LED. But anyways, this is the package that I got. I believe it did come shipped straight from China. Not 100% sure of that, but again, I'll post a link in the description. And I'm gonna find the one of these two lights that matches up perfectly with that one. So I'm guessing that it's gonna be this one here. Not, well, it could be either of these. Maybe they're exactly the same. It's hard to tell, but we're gonna find out because I'm gonna go ahead and try to put one of these in. You could see that this is the original one. It's just got this white light there, and then this has got what appears to be something that projects down below. So I'm gonna figure out which one of these two goes. I think they're identical. They appear to be identical anyways. And hopefully they are, and it's just a nice easy swap, and we'll go from there. So hang tight, more to come. All right, so I hope this angle is doing this video justice, but I'm gonna go ahead and just pop this in and I could already see that this is looking pretty cool. And let's just see how. Could that be it? I mean, I believe so. Believe it just clicked right in. Didn't click in tight. And so that was, you know, I was expecting there to be a little bit more of a tight click in there. But it did go in. And there's what we have. Let me get that leaf out of the way. Let's go ahead and close the door here. We'll open it up. Wow, that's actually pretty impressive. Let's turn the lights down in here a little bit. And here we go again. I gotta say it's actually really cool. A pretty crisp image there. You know, hard to believe that this is actually not an OEM puddle light because of how nice the image looks. And I would imagine at night it looks really cool. I would say definitely a very nice, simple, easy, inexpensive mod and upgrade. And that's about it. And just for fun, we will do this other one here too. Let's see. There we go. So the little lens pops off, but the important part is this here. We'll just wiggle that out. Oh, it's hot. Gets hot quick. All right. Let's get the new one in. And here comes the new one. Lights up as expected. Clicks in. And bam, there we have it. Well, there you have it, folks. That was a nice, easy DIY mod for this car, and I think it came out really good. I hope you liked it, and if you liked this video, please don't forget to hit like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you love them, hate them, tell me what you think. I would love to hear it. And of course, I'm always open to hear any suggestions for future DIY mods and upgrades and things like that. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.